Hello coders, welcome back to another video on our Scratch Maze Project game series. In this video, we're going to be creating a start button and a start screen so that our player can come in and start the game and have a way to get from a menu to level 1. So to get started, you're going to go to the sprite icon down at the bottom to choose a sprite, and you're going to click the paintbrush. The paintbrush allows you to go paint and make your own sprite. We're going to rename the sprite under the stage here to Start. Start. Then, by choosing the rectangle or the circle tool or the ellipse tool and choosing a color, you're going to drag out a shape. And I'm going to make mine like that. And once you've made the Start button, you can also use the text tool to start typing something on that Start button. And I'm going to choose the color white, and I'm on the text tool. You can even change the font, what it looks like, the words, the letters. And when you click out there, a little tiny text box appears. It's hard to see, but you can type in your word like start or play, whatever you'd like. And we are going to do it just about like that. All right, well, let's code this button so that it's only visible when we want it to at the start of our game. And when we click it, it takes us to level 1. But in order to do that, we need to make a new backdrop. So you're going to come over here down to the backdrop location and click on the paint tool, and it'll take you to backdrops. You can also click on stage and then the backdrops tab. Here we are on our list of backdrops. We are going to make a costume name for this one, Game Menu. Game Menu. And you can drag that tile up to the top if you'd like. That's where I like to have it. It's the first thing in my game. Now, I don't want to design the game menu yet. I just want it to be a blank screen that's different than level 1 and level 2 and level 3. We're going to code the button right now. So pause the video to get that backdrop set up that way. On the sprite for the start button, make sure you're clicked on it. It's blue. It's highlighted blue, so you know you're on it. We're going to say when green flag is clicked and when this sprite is clicked are the two blocks you need. They're events, the yellow blocks. They're both hat blocks. When green flag is clicked, we are going to say switch backdrop to game menu. When this sprite is clicked, when we go and click on the start button out here in the game, when they're playing the game, when they click on that sprite, it'll switch to level 1. And you're going to put a show block on the green flag sequence so they can see it when they start the game. And once they've clicked on it and they switch to level 1, it will hide. Okay, so let's test that out. There we go. When we click the green flag, it switches us over to level 1. Excellent. If you want to go back and design anything for your game menu, you can. On backdrops, like we did before in a previous video, you can convert it to bitmap with that blue button. Use the paint bucket and change your color and go fill in the background like so. Then, just like you learned, you can use the text tool, and I think it's important to change it to vector again. So change it back over like we did when we changed back to draw our lines. Choosing your text tool, the color you want to use, and then the font you want it to be. You can make a text box. The Hopping Frog Maze is what I'll call this game. And we'll just start with that for now. But go ahead and experiment a little bit with designing your backdrop so you're ready for the future. Take care out there. Have fun. Good luck coding. And we'll see you in the next one.